Hello everyone, my name is Yashila Jeevan. My metric number is 242021740. Today I will be presenting my case study about troubleshooting hardware issues. My problem statement is that Steve, a first year architecture student who is taking 3D modeling courses, needed to install some 3D modeling softwares. The issue is that the new 3D modeling software does not respond after installation. Steve also stated that his gaming applications exhibit lagging and stuttering after installing these softwares. Steve also notices that his browsing and office productivity software such as Microsoft Word is functioning smoothly without any issue. Some initial troubleshootings were made, which is power checks, ensuring computer is plugged in, confirm power button functionality and fan activity, inspect cables for loose connections, checking for error messages on the desktop and scanning for malware and viruses, verifying operating system and GPU drivers are up to date, monitoring CPU and GPU temperatures, ensuring case fans and components were clean and running. Hardware inspections also were made, checking for dislodged or poorly connected components in the desktop, running built-in diagnostic tools to check system hardware. After thorough investigation, the problem was identified, which is Steve's system is lacking dedicated graphic card. Steve's system only had integrated graphic card, which is insufficient for 3D modeling and editing tasks. The cause of this issue is insufficient GPU graphic card power. Integrated graphic cards aren't built for heavy tasks like 3D designing. This resulted in sluggish performance, crashes and freezing during 3D editings. Furthermore, driver incompatibility is also the cause of this issue. Integrated graphic card may have outdated drivers, so the system was lagging and stuttering and refused to run. Some 3D software is specifically made for dedicated graphic cards only. Besides, memory limitations also can be a cause for this issue. Integrated graphic cards share system RAM with the CPU, which limited the available memory to store large model editing projects. This leads to system slowdown during large model renderings. Last but not least, the cause of this issue may come from overheating. Integrated graphic cards overheat during heavy tasks, reducing performance to prevent damage on the graphic card. This leads to slowdowns, crashes, or system shutdowns. Several solutions were implemented to help Steve recover his graphic card issue, which is installing a dedicated graphic card. A dedicated graphic card was added to Steve's motherboard's PLCE slot. This provided Steve's desktop specialized hardware for advanced 3D editing. Next is ensuring sufficient power. Steve's power supply unit is verified and made sure the wattage meets the newly added graphic card requirements. And then the driver and BIOS were updated, which is installed up-to-date drivers for the dedicated graphic card, updating BIOS to prevent compatibility issue when this compatibility issue arises when we install a new hardware and the desktop doesn't support the hardware. So we have to make BIOS update to prevent this compatibility issue. Last but not least, the temperature management can be also a solution implementation. Cleaning debris and dust for better airflow ensures safe temperatures during heavy graphic card usage. Testing and verification. After all these solutions were implemented onto Steve's desktop, stress tests Steve Desktop was put to stress testing, which is GPU and CPU performance monitored under load. 3D modeling software now runs smoothly without any lagging. No crashes or instability were observed. So the issue is solved. The lesson learned from this case study is that regular maintenance and appropriate hardware choices are crucial for ensuring system stability and performance, especially when handling demanding tasks like 3D modeling and advanced gaming software. Thank you.